Yeah? Go on. Go on. Hmm? You beep the horn? Beep the horn right there. Yeah? Yeah. Mm. Are you getting frustrated? Hmm? I don't know if that makes any noise. Oh. We just got done eating our rice cereal. Now we're going for a little drive. Yeah. And we're working on something. Hi, Mommy. Hi. Yeah. Hey, beep the horn. Beep it. Go on. Oh, so close. Here we go. You beeped the horn. Yay! You got it. All right. Say bye-bye. I love everybody who's watching this. Go on, say it. No? All right.